No. I got my phone. You think I want to get this shit wet?
Leave it right there.
No, I'm recording. Oh, hell nah. Jackson, there is no fucking way you are coming in this house drenched.
Who's in that camera?
I don't know.
Someone just talk to that camera.
No, I said there's no fucking way you're coming in this house drenched.
Hello? Hey, let me turn you off a little bit. You got some stuff on you. Camera's not that stuff.
Shut the fuck up!
Hey, it's not, go change, bro. This is low-key fun, like.
My bad. He was out there
I
fun.
don't know. I know. I'm finna take all my socks, take off my socks. Dude, right here, let me out here. You should go doing this. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, no.
This is what childhood's all about, man.
I'm not a child anymore.
We're like teenagers and stuff. You play in the rain and stuff. Like,
I don't play in the rain anymore.
You like rain?
I do, just not playing in it.
Oh, like you don't have to play in it, bro. It's fun.
Hey, turn around. Hey, how's your day?
Pretty good. I'm fucking soaking wet. That's about it. Hey, face back to me. Like, literally, my Crocs are flicking wet. My socks are soaked. I'm an ultra soaker player. I can play in the NBA outside edition, though. In the rain, too, my guy. I'm just good like that. I'm just good like that.
Bro's done.
Hey, watch this. Record me.
Don't do that. Don't do fucking that.
Oh, yeah, that's the switch.
Oh, I got the basketball hitting the van on this.
That's Michi video. Hey, you're down by the shade. Come on, shade.
Bro, what if this had night vision and you could see through the house and see what people are doing in there?
Well, look at this. I'm dripping. Like, my socks are literally just like, socks are all tiny. My shirt's surprisingly not soaked. But I'm about to do that.
Bro, there's how many cars?
Look. Oh yeah, I better go play some basketball. Oh, cool.
What the hell, Jackson? Motherfucker! Get the hell out of my house, you goddamn bitch! Oh, how's your day? Pretty good. I do not care what you say. Oh, how's your day? Horrible. Broski. What the heck are you on, Jackson? Bro, you know you're in the camera still?